The three Google ranking factors. Google uses three major signals to rank local business. First, relevance. Does your business accurately match what customers are searching for? If someone searches for airport transfer in Innsbruck, your Google business profile and website should clearly mention airport transfer, not just taxi service. Second, distance. Google consider how close your business is to the searcher location. That's why creating dedicated pages for airport nearby towns and service areas can dramatically increase your visibility. Third, prominence. This is your online reputation. Google looks at customer reviews, citations, backlinks, and how trusted your business appears across the web. The stronger your reputation, the higher your chances to ranking.